the man who's working hard for you. And when the money comes in for the work I do, I'll pass almost every penny on to you. When I come home, oh, I know I'm gonna be the man who comes back home to you. And if I broke, well, I know I'm gonna be the man who's growing over you. But I would walk 500 miles and I would walk 500 more just to be the man who walks 1,000 miles to fall down at your door. When I'm lonely, well, I know I'm gonna be the man who's lonely without you. And when I'm dreaming, well, I know I'm gonna dream about the time when I'm with you. When I go out, well, I know I'm gonna be the man who goes along with you. And when I come home, yes, I know I'm gonna be the man who comes back home with you. I'm gonna be the man who's coming home with you. But I would walk 500 miles and I would walk 500 more just to be the man who walks 1,000 miles to fall down at your door.
Hey, good morning. This is how I feel, like I'm walking 500 miles in trading. Good morning, happy Friday, everyone. Happy Friday, Tris, Green, Heather, let's go. We have a quick stream together today. I wanted to celebrate. Happy Friday. We're going to do a $100 USD giveaway on PayPal today. Yeah, and then we will hang out for a little bit, and then I have to head out and quick do a thing for my Funded Future stream before we go live this morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. How's it going, everyone? How are you? Happy Friday. Hey, Ed. Did you guys see my new Bookmap? It's my new trading toy. Okay. Ta-da! There's still so much to learn. But yes, we do have it up and running. So interesting, right? You can zoom in, you can zoom out. You can do all sorts of things. So right now I am in a short in my freshly funded, my Funded Futures 150K Pro account that I worked so hard on in passing. They're a beast to pass the 150Ks, but I will say it's sweet because you have so much more drawdown. I'm looking for a TP of 814. Hopefully we get it. I'm going to bring down my stop here down to 838. So it's a little bit better than break even. My entry was at 839. Let's go. It's looking like it wants to go hit it. Go, go, go. Go. About 3 more points until we can hit TP here. Oh, you guys. So much to talk about. So many things I want to improve in my trading. I'm guessing you guys too. Yeah, I just try and make too much money in a day. I think that's part of the problem. So, okay, I'm going to trail this. We might as well. Bringing down my stop to 832. Lock in a little bit of more profit. So that's 987, 7 points. Yeah, so I need to continue trying to be more patient, right? And I think, oh, there we go. TP hit. Let's go. That was my $500 for $500 bracket that I just hop in, and then I will change things around. Wow, look at it go. Bookmap is so fun to see. Just like visually to see these bubbles. So if you're not familiar with Bookmap, the bubbles are actual like market orders basically. So thanks for subscribing. Did you guys hear that robotic voice? Bookmap, I have it set so that it'll alert me when big orders come in, like with a sound, so someone is speaking. Yeah, please type in 1 if you heard that, because I'm wondering if you can hear it on your end when I'm streaming. Real quick, the red bubbles, those are the sellers hitting the bid, right? They're crossing the bid-ask spread, and then the big green bubbles are showing the buyers are in control, and well, I shouldn't say in control. The buyers are being more aggressive and they're crossing the bid and they're hitting the ask. And so you can visually see like who's more aggressive, and that is truly what moves the market, you guys. It's whoever's crossing the bid. When you're continually seeing sellers hitting the bid, or I'm sorry, let me go back. Look at this big green bubble for me. Okay, it's whoever's crossing the spread. I don't know if I said crossing the bid. It's whoever's crossing the spread. And when you see continually one side crossing, that is what is pushing the market either lower or higher. So I love seeing this. It's just cool to visually see this. Hey, good morning, everyone. Let's say hi to the more people who are coming in. I know I haven't updated my thumbnail. I just hit go live in Streamlabs, and I thought I could go into YouTube and update it live, but so far I wasn't able to this morning. So that's okay though. I let people know. Yes. Okay, awesome. So you guys can hear this. It just spoke again. Yeah, it's so cool. It's a new toy. I wanted to show you guys a new toy. And yeah, I did share about our giveaway today on X, and then I didn't make a post on it on YouTube, but I did tell everyone last night. I just hopped in real quick to show people the new toy, and I was like, hey, we're going to do this giveaway today. I mean, not today, Friday. Okay. Good morning, Jack. Off the ground, Ed. Barbie Ken. Ethan. Good morning. Son of God Trades. Very interesting. Okay, so that alert you can set to whatever size you want. I'm going to is it loud? Is it loud? The voice? Let me know if it's too loud. If it's too loud, please type in 1. I don't want it to be too loud because that would be really annoying. Wow, look at this. It looks like we have just rejected off of VWAP. Can you see VWAP there? Very interesting. Okay. Good morning, 11. Neo. Yannick. Hi. Oscar. Keegan is in the house. What is up, party people? We booked some profits, Keegan, in my Pro 150K account. The Big Daddy account. Hopefully I can hang on to it like break a new record for myself, right? Hey, pro trader. I know. Actually, one of the producers from My Fund of Futures called me a professional yapper. We were doing some tests to try and uh, fix some things, and he's like, "You guys are professional yappers." I was like, "Oh my God." I was like, "Oh my gosh, thank you so much. It's such a compliment." I never knew. You guys, I never knew I would be a professional yapper because I was like the shy kid, very, very much shy growing up when I was little. And then I started coming out of my shell maybe junior high-ish. I mean, I always like pushed myself, right? Like I'd always try and push myself to I don't know, to like not be so shy even when I was young. Like I remember this, but I would say around junior high is when I really like pushed myself even harder to come out of my shell. And then yeah, I still have to push myself. I do. I streaming live, you guys. I fun story. I actually originally sorry, I get distracted because I'm watching the time too. So I originally last year, when My Fund of Futures originally sent me a message on X saying, "Hey, like we're interested in talking." I was like, "Oh my gosh, so excited," right? Like such a compliment. And then I went on so we were talking about me being a host on the show for a new show cuz they were adding programming. And then I was like I went on the show and as a guest and everything went really well. And then I was like, I don't know if I want to do this. I actually I don't know if I can even say this. I think I can. I actually was like, "Oh, I don't know. I don't think I'm good like live." And I think my niche is better with like pre-recorded because when you're doing pre-recording, it's so much more controlled. You can take as many takes as you want. You can even read a script if you want. Like the amount of control that you have doing pre-recorded content is 100% different than live. Like live, it's live, right? If you say something silly, if you say something dumb, you say something, you're like, oh my God, I can't believe I said that, which of course I have experienced many times. And yeah, so I was like, no, I don't know. I don't think so. And then I thought about it later and I was just like, am I turning down such an incredible opportunity because I feel so like afraid, right? So going live, it's different, but it's similar a little bit to public speaking. And I know a lot of people have fear about public speaking, as do I. And so that fear almost stopped me from trying. And I just said, I mean, the fear was so great, you guys. Like, I actually was crying about it, like, crying about it because I felt like I can't believe this fear is like stopping me from trying to do something that I've never done before that sounds really cool and super fun. So, um, you cry, you get it out of your system. And then I was like I kept processing it. I kept talking about it, asking for advice from my closest friends and people in my family. And I got so much support, right? Like my family, my friends, everyone who loves me, they're like, okay, whatever you want to do will be great. If you want to try this, it'll be great. If you don't want to do it and you want to focus on pre recorded content, that's great too. Like, no matter what, it's great. And I think by surrounding yourself with people who are supportive and just who love you no matter what, it is such a big win to have that in your corner. So, and then I was like, okay, I do think I need to try this. Like, what's the worst that can happen? I mean, a lot of bad things can happen, but let's just give this a try. And I'm so glad I did. I think one of the biggest wins about it all is when you're encountering something that's fearful, that you're not sure about, that feels scary, and then to push yourself to do it and to do it every day until that feeling starts to dissipate, until that anxiety starts to go down. It's similar to exposure therapy. And so I'm so proud of myself for doing that, for giving it a try. Like, no matter what happens in the future, right? Like, to me, that is one of the biggest wins I had in 2025 of last year, of just being fearful of something and then doing it anyways and giving it a shot and giving it your best shot, over and over and over again. Yes, so that is a quick story for you guys. Hey, Smoke Trades, a loving nature guy. Peter, good to see you. Smith, oh, we love you too. I love you too. Thank you so much. I love all of you. Thank you for showing up every day and joining me and yapping together. It's so much more fun. Oh, that's so awesome. Smith won an account from Tom Sabo. Tom Sabo is one of my co-hosts on the My Funded Future stream, and he is awesome. He streams a ton. So make sure you go check out his channel too. Hey, Adam. Okay, let me get the form ready to drop because we got to be a little quick. Okay, let me find it. While I get things ready, I am going to give you a little music. This is how I feel about trading. I'm walking 500 miles every day.
When I wake up, well, I know I'm gonna be the man who wakes up next to you. When I go out, yeah, I know I'm gonna be the man who goes along with you. If I get drunk, well, I know I'm gonna be the man who gets drunk next to you. And if I haver, yeah, I know I'm gonna be the man who's havering to you. But I would walk 500 miles and I would walk 500 more just to be the man who walked 1,000 miles to fall down at your door. When I'm working, yes, I know I'm gonna be the man who's working hard for you. And when the money comes in for the work I do, I'll pass almost every penny on to you. When I come home, oh, I know I'm gonna be the man who comes back.
I got the form. Okay, I'm going to pin this.
I know I'm gonna be the man who's going over you. But I would walk 500 miles and I would walk 500 more just to be a man who walks 1,000 miles to fall down at your door.
Hey, okay. All right, so we got the form pinned. Everyone, make sure you enter for a chance to win $100 via PayPal. And so we got that going. Let me figure out our wheel. So we will do the wheel together. Let's do it in about 10 minutes. I do have to wrap things up early today because I have to head over to My Funded Futures to test out more of our audio. Oh yeah, okay, wheel. I think the one I like is called Wheel of Names. Yeah, I like that one. I'm gonna pull up. Okay, so I have to hide this. Let me pull it up. Wait 1 second. Oh, okay. Bring this up here. Above Bookmap. It's all layers, you guys, on a stream, on Streamlabs. So you have to make sure you have things on the right layer. Okay, so now I'm going to get our wheel ready. Oh, okay, it's over here. It's called Wheel of Names. And then, let me make a new source. Okay. I'm gonna close this, and then we put the Google Gemini here. Google Gemini. Yeah, so remember when we used ChatGPT to erase duplicates, how it didn't do such a great job, but Google Gemini worked better. Okay, we are ready. So we'll close that form in about 8 minutes at about 7:20 my time, 8:20 Eastern Standard Time. So we have all of that ready, and then I will go over here. Okay. How's everyone's trading this week? Good? Bad? Super, super ugly? So my trading this week has been pretty good. It wasn't perfect. I don't know if I've ever had a perfect week. Like what's perfect, right? I've had really, really good days, but I don't think I've strung together like a really good week. When I think about trading, like being disciplined, being patient, sticking to a daily loss limit, I haven't quite done that yet. So hopefully I'll do that this year. Stringing together a whole week of really good trading would be amazing. That would probably be like me graduating to like the NBA or something. Hey, Donna. Good to see you, Donna. Donna received a payout. Oh my God, from Lucid, $974. Let's go. Everyone, hit the confetti button for Donna. Yay! I'm so proud of you. Donna has shared with us in chat before that you're struggling with that daily loss limit and with feeling like you're gambling and not trading. So I'm so proud of you. That is so awesome. And then I blew the account after on silver. Oh, that sucks. But I'm so glad that you got a payout. There's something real about getting a payout and then you lose the account like the next trading day. I've done it so many times too. Let's go. Congrats to Donna. Yeah. V Gabber says congrats. Ethan says congrats. Son of Wall Street says locked in. Any other payouts? Peter says I am doing 1 trade per day challenge. That's awesome. I love that idea. What day are you on, Peter? Is this are you far in the challenge or is this the beginning? I really like that challenge. I kind of want to do that challenge with you, Peter. Loving Nature Guy says not good that much. Okay. It sounds like it could be worse of a week. And the good news is we still have trading all day today. So we can have a good day today. So there's so much we can't control about the market, right? But what we can control is our size, before we get in, and while we're in the trade, like to not like add to oblivion. I know I've done this a million times. I'm speaking from experience. Thank you for subscribing. So we can control size. We can control what product we're trading. So whether you're trading a full size mini or you're trading one micro. What else can we control? We can control how many trades we take in a day. We can control that. We can control when we get in, when we get out. We can control the timing, right? We can't control what the market's going to do. Once we're in the trade, we don't know. We have a great idea. That's why we get into the trade. We wouldn't take that risk if we didn't think we had a good idea. And then we don't know. We hope that it will work out, but we don't have control over that. And that, I think, is one of the hard things for us to accept as humans, our human brain. We love control. We think we have control. And then when we get into these trades and it doesn't go the direction that we think it's going to go, we go into this fight or flight mode, like a panic mode. Like, what am I going to do to fix this? How do I fix this? And I think that piece is what gets a lot of us into trouble, right? So for us, it's like, okay, like remembering what can we control, what can we not? Okay, the Bookmap is telling us a seller just that's so interesting, right? These bubbles seem kind of small to me. Okay, so this maybe I'm just zoomed out too much. Hey, Denny! I think I saw Denny's name. Denny, hey! Yeah, exactly. Denny's saying gotta be careful with silver. 100%. Oh my gosh. I've been dabbling with silver and I've gone into it in a full-size contract, and then it's like I blink and it's like up $700, which is scary because that means that I could have blinked and it's down $700. And then last night I was trading micro silvers contracts. I went from anywhere between one contract and three contracts. And even at three contracts on the mini, or not the mini, the micro, it was still like such big size. I couldn't believe it. Oh, did you guys know that 1 point in silver futures is $5,000? 1 point, like one full point. Every tick is worth $25. But I'm not used to like the structure because it's like 0.005 is one tick in silver. So I was wondering, okay, well, how much is a point? Because like that 0.005, it's not like 0.001, 2, 3, 4. It's like 0.05 and then I'm sorry, 0.005, and then it goes to 0.000, and then it goes like there's only 2 ticks in that last placement. And so I was like, I don't even know how big this contract is. And I looked it up and I'm like, oh my gosh, 1 point is worth $5,000 because 1 point in gold is worth $100. And I thought a gold contract was big. Silver is mega big. Exactly. Mesa Silver is a mad dog jealous of gold. Silver, hey, Alfred. Alfred says silver is low volume, so it spikes a lot. Yeah, right? Oh my goodness. Hey, Denny. Denny is a producer on My Funded Futures and also a marketing director over at the BDH with Patrick and a fantastic trader. Yeah, I agree, Gen X. You need a better, larger account to trade silver. We need like a $100,000 live account to trade silver, or like $100,000 worth of drawdown to trade silver. But we love it. I think traders love it because the price. Oh, look at this. We are working our way to go below VWAP here. It is looking good. If anyone's in a short, I like this. We're below this volume node. I'm not going to hop into a trade because I do not want to be distracted for our giveaway. All right, it is 7:20. Let's get that going. I'm going to close the giveaway now. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. Closed. It is closed. Okay. Now, I think I need to go do it on this screen. Okay, I think what I need to do is go here, and then go here. Okay, I am going to get things set up for us. Okay, please remove duplicate names and make it into a list. Now Google Gemini is thinking, it is trying to do what I asked it to do. So funny, when I put my hands here, I feel like the camera makes my hands look so big. So funny. You guys, we're going to walk 500 miles together. And then we're going to make $1 million in a year. Hopefully. From trading. This is what I want. For me, this is what I want for you too. 500 miles is a long way to walk. Okay. We have our list. Now I'm going to copy and paste it. Copy. Put them over here. Yay! Okay, now let me see if it'll show. No, not showing yet. Okay, try again. Why is it not showing? Oh, I know why. It's because Bookmap. It's not a browser. Okay, here we go. Yay! It's working. Now, let's turn off the music. All right, everyone. Are you ready? Are you ready? Type in 1 if you're ready. Oh, make sure you smash that like button. I forgot to say that. Please smash that like button if you haven't already. Thank you. Okay, good luck, everyone. Oh, funded Shub. Next time. Yes. Consult is ready. Gen X Trades is ready. Let's go. Let's go. Denny's ready. Okay, good luck, everyone. This is to win $100 paid via PayPal. Here we go. Good luck. Good luck. Hey, congratulations, Dave DJ. Congratulations. Are you here? You do have to be present. Please tag me. Please put at Terri Trades 100 in chat right now so I know that you're here. And Dave, if you're not here, we will have to spin again. Is Dave here? DJ, yes, congrats. Where are you at? Are you getting coffee? Oh, there you are. Dave, you're here. DJ 9? Okay, awesome. So, Dave, I will be emailing you shortly here to get your PayPal email that's associated with your PayPal so that I can send you $100. I do have to run over to the My Funded Future stream to go do a test. So I'm going to try and do it before I go over there. But if I don't, just know that I will be contacting you via email after the show then, which I stream for an hour and a half with them. Thank you so much, you guys. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for celebrating. Happy Friday. Also, what else do I want to say? Have a good weekend because today's Friday. I'm not sure what hours I'm going to stream next week, but I will be on the My Funded Future stream every day next week for sure. I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much. Bye.